Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the resolution in Windows 10. So first we go to the Windows button and straight to settings. Now we click on System. Now in the system we are in Display, so that's the correct section. We scroll down a little bit to Display Revolution option. So we have some resolution. Let's pick another one. That's how we change it. You just choose the one you want and you save the changes. Let's do it again. So it's done. There's also another way to just change the size of the font, the apps and other items. So in the scale and layout you do it, and everything gets bigger or smaller, whatever you prefer. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.